Let's look at this national plan. It's a second time plan. When you go to year 2020, event 2996, you see 72 at winning with 40 at machine. And then following week, you see 55. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 week. You see 40 winning 76 machine. And then following week, you see 55 will come and play under the 40. So counting weeks down, it's not the first plan and the second plan isn't the same counting weeks. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. And you see 60 lapping 13 at machine. So 1, 2, 3 weeks, you see 72 machine, 64 winning. So following week, you see this 40 played with 8 counterpart, and then this 55 that moved came to play. When you also take a very critical look at the plan, you see that the 55 also came to machine. Now let's come to the current one, you understand. So this is the current setting. When you come to event 3103, you see 36 winning, 76 machine. And then following week, you see 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. And you see 76 winning with 40 machine. And then following week, you see 55 played under the 76. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks. You see 60 machine with 13 under it. Then 1, 2, 3 weeks, you see 64 machine, 72 winning. The first one, 72 machine, 64 winning, but this time you have 64 at machine and then 72 at winning. So following week, which is today, we expect this 76 to come and play with its counterpart 31, and then we also expect this 55 to also play along, or maybe this 6 and then this 59 on the event also came to machine, so maybe they should move to winning, but the main numbers are 76, 31 and then 55, so you can add 6 and 59 to it. Let's look at this plan. This is a third time setting, so let's look at it very carefully. The first one started in 2029 to 2020. As you can see, last but 1 week of 2019, 61 set at winning. Then when you go to machine, you see 47 at first box, which is group 2. So 1, 2, 3 weeks, that is beginning of 2020. When you go to machine, you see a number at last box, which is 30 position. Then following week, you see 37 at second box machine. Now you are waiting for this 30 to sit at fourth box winning. So when you come to event 303, you see 30 sitting at fourth box winning. Following week, this 37 is your free number to play. And then when you go to last but 1 week of 2019, the first box number, which is group 2, came to play alongside the 37. to give 37.47 as the too sure. Now let's come to the second plan, which also starts from 2020 to 2021. So that one, when you go to last but 1 week of 2020, you see 61 set at winning again with group 5 at center box machine. So if the first one is group 2, the second one is group 5, which is 2 plus 3 giving you group 5, which means group 5 plus 3 should give you group 8. So which means the third one should be group 8. So this one is group 5. So 1, 2, then we go to third week, which happens to be the beginning of 2021. So you see 18 at last box machine, and then following week you see 72 at second box machine position. So you are waiting for this 18 to land at fourth box winning. So when you come to event 3041, you see 18 played. As soon as 18 played, following week this 72 is your free banker, and then the group 5 came to play along. Now let's come to the current setting. So 2021, last but 1 week, you see 61 set again at winning, and then first one was at first, and then the second one was at center. So the third one, which is group 8 at last box, which is 17. So 1, 2, 3 weeks, which happens to be the beginning of 2020, 66 at last box machine. Then following week you have 6 at second box machine. So now we are waiting for this 66 to sit at fourth box winning. So last week 66 dropped at fourth box winning. So which means following week we have to go and pick our 6 as our free banker with the group 8, which is 17. So our too sure is 6, 17. So 6 can also play with any of these numbers. So you can use 6 against these numbers too. But our pick is single 6, 13. And single 6, 17. Sorry. So that's our pick. We expect 6 and 17. Let's look at this second time plan. Same national. When you go to event 3097, you see 20 dropped with ending 8 at winning, which is 58. Following week dropped 2, and then the following week the 2 counterpart to second box machine, and then following week counterpart under it, and then following week winning, you see the 20 came with a 58. So this event, very, very good. Also have 48 here. The reason why I'm saying we have 48 is because of the current one. When you come to the current one, when you come to event 3118, this time we have ending 848 here with 20 at machine. And then following week play 13. So following week 13 counterpart to play 58 at second box, and then 58 counterpart back to play 30 under it. So following week we expect 20 and then 48 to come and play. So it could be that this is even a too sure. This one could be a trick, but that's what it is. So 2048 is our pick. You can also make use of this event. It's very good. It's very good. So that's it. Our too sure is 2048.